Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make coconut chutney. So let's get started.
For this, we need 2 cups of grated coconut, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons split chickpeas, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste. For tempering, we need 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, and 15 to 20 curry leaves. Now for the recipe, in a grinder add green chilies, salt, split chickpeas, ginger, cumin and garlic. Next, add grated coconut and some water. Blend the mixture to a smooth paste. Add more water if required. Transfer the blend to a bowl and blend the remaining coconut. Now for the tempering, in a pan on medium heat, add coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and mix. Once the seeds start to crackle, add curry leaves and red chilies. Cook for 2 minutes and then transfer it to the blended paste and mix. Your coconut chutney is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.